swore to give. The land of hope, the land of rest, where by His word you live.
Joshua, take this charge today. Stand firm before their eyes. The same God who has led you here will make the way arise.
The Lord goes with you.
Day and night,
He will not,
turn away.
He will not turn away. He will not leave, He won't forsake. He stays through every day.
Take this law, read it aloud when all the people meet, so every heart may learn to fear the Lord at mercy seat.
Teach the children yet unborn